How to get your recovery fees again your trust wallet. I will show you where is my trust wallet. The trust wallet is open. My secret code I post. Come here. This is Dex DApps wallet. Then here settings. The come on the wallet and here one three dot. Press this three dot and here is your show recovery phase. Then enjoy the and make your wallet safe and recovery phase on your write your recovery phase without hard soft copy. The hard copy is safe for digital currency secure with hard copy. Don't make a soft copy of the recovery phase here. Then I will provide you a crypto Bitcoin mining application on my description link. Join my join my description link and start mining these applications and buy underrated coins, etc. This is crypto related YouTube channel, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will provide you the new airdrops and new coins and new crypto related news and crypto related games, etc. Thank you.